सो अब हम लोग पहुंच गए हैं मोबाइल के सोफ़ा सेक्शन में, जहां पर आप लोगों के लिए है ढेर सारे ब्यूटीफुल डिज़ाइन सोफ़ा। और इस सोफ़ा की डिटेल्स में बताने के लिए मेरे साथ जो कंसर्न पर्सन है वो है हमारे मैनेजर, स्टोर मैनेजर मिस्टर रवि। तो सर, अगर हमारे कस्टमर को आप बताएंगे ये जो ब्यूटीफुली डिज़ाइन सोफ़ाज मेरे सामने रखा हुआ है, तो इस सोफ़ा में ऐसा क्या स्पेशलिटी है दैट व्हाई वुड कस्टमर परचेज दिस सोफ़ा?
To start with, a very good evening, ma'am. The best thing to start with this sofa, the best thing about it is it's compact. Normally what happens is when we place our hands on the side of the sofa, these actually add to additions if you have a very compact flat. This gives you added space with the compact design of the handrest. That is the speciality of this sofa, and the best thing about this is we can customize these also as per your color requirement, as per your space requirements, and even as per your you can say effect of that environment which you are actually living into, because this is a day-to-day need of yours, which is the speciality of the mobile.
ओके,
That's
तो
right.
आप लोग देख सकते हैं कि ये जो जितने भी सारे सोफाज है, आई गेस दीज आर कॉर्नर सोफाज, राइट? और इसके लिए उतना स्पेस का ज़रूरत नहीं है, कहीं पर भी फिट हो सकता है, और एज पर योर चॉइस, एज पर योर नीड्स इसको कस्टमाइज भी आप लोग कर सकते हैं। नाउ लेट्स मूव ऑन टू द नेक्स्ट सोफा। मेरे लेफ्ट साइड में एक सोफा है, आप देख सकते हैं द कलर इज टोटली यूनिक कलर, इट हैज़ अ यूनिक कलर एज वेल, एंड जो मटेरियल है सर, लेट्स टॉक अबाउट द मटेरियल। जो मटेरियल आप लोगों ने यूज़ किया है, व्हाट इज दैट?
Ma'am, this is you have pointed out a very well thing, ma'am, because the best thing about this sofa is one of the best designs, quality and color, because this material is a sweat material and it's highly in demand. Apart from this sofa is a high density foam sofa. You can use it as per your convenience of the L space or the corner space which you have. You can even while going through a TV or while watching a television or reading a book, you can just place your legs abroad. It gives you a lounger effect. Even if you have, what happens is when you have a guest, extra guest coming to your place, this can add, you can say, a complete, I would say, a sleeping space for him, for a complete person. Actually, you
Okay.
can see enough space is there for the
Yes,
person.
yes.
Not only that, if you can be seated in that, you can have a complete comfort. You will really like it, and especially of the colors. I can give you plenty of options in
Okay.
colors, matching your design, your residence, or whatever you want. We have plenty of options, ma'am.
सर, अभी मेरे सामने एक रॉयल ब्लू कलर का सोफा मैं देख पा रही हूँ, और ये जो सोफा मुझे लग रहा है कि आई थिंक दिस इज लिटिल बिट एक्सपेंसिव और व्हाट?
No, ma'am. Looks definitely expensive.
यस,
But
ऑब्वियसली।
looks are definitely expensive, but to give you a surprise effect, it's a budget sofa
Oh my god.
within 40 grands, including GST.
Oh my god.
That's is something beyond that.
Exactly, that's very reasonable. मतलब
Yes,
pocket
the
friendly
color,
है ना?
the vibrations, nothing.
I thought
We
कि
don't have words
it's a
to
very
explain it.
expensive sofa because of this color and the combination. मुझे लगा था कि expensive होगा, but as you are saying that the budget is, oh, that is very low for this sofa.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you
And
for
so
that.
let's move on to our next sofa, and I can see the left side there another sofa. So just explain us about this sofa. Like what is the speciality in this sofa? Like what is the difference between that sofa and this sofa?
If someone really wants a feel of a recliner, I would challenge him, use it, feel it, and give me the comments on that. Because this is, it has a spring effect, it has a bouncy effect, and not only that, this is one of the unique sofas which is actually in demand by the loungers itself. Those who like to rest, those who like to relax. Once you come back home after your tiring day, just sit across. I would recommend you to please sit across, have a feel, and then tell me. And again, I recommend you, this has, we give you plenty of color options in that.
Okay. I would
Plenty
love
of
to see
color
the
options.
color options.
Yes,
But,
absolutely, ma'am. I would be going ahead with that.
I would love to know about this sofa. I would love to know about this sofa because it has a different material, I guess.
Yes, it's a velvety- velvety.
Glossy and
Yeah.
velvety. Okay. So अब एक बात बताइए, ये जो सोफा है, ये सोफा और वो पहले हम लोग जो ग्रीन सोफा देखे, are the same materials or different?
See, basic, if you say materials are approximately same in across the sofa series which we have, but the thing is we do a plus minus addition or subtractions on the customer's requirement, preferences all. Because what happens is once you go for a L sofa, what happens is the customer has a feel of you can say a different feel itself. Once we have these kinds of sofas, they have a different feel because this is more of a guest options. Here you have the complete lounge effect. So these are the mix of both the variants.
So sir, if
Right.
we talk about the budget, the starting range, what is the starting range?
See, on an average, keeping the demand and the customer mindset as well as because mobile, we serve customers from range of 30 to 40,000 rands to you can see 3 to 4 lakhs also.